In this video we are talking about if Verasity is going to the downside or if we see a move to the upside again. As you can see, in the last days and weeks we saw this crazy pump to the upside from Verasity. We took out this last high right here from this range, and after we made this high right here, I said that the chances high that we can see a crash to the downside and the chances high that we are coming again into this order block where we started the bullish move. I will show you now the clip for context. But there's also the bearish scenario, and after a massive pump like this, it's very normal that we are retracing. So now the question is, will we retrace and how much will we retrace? I think the chances high that we can come to this order block right here because we also started a bullish move into the new highs. So the chances given if we are retracing that we are coming to this order block, then we have to wait how we react at this order block. And as you can see, after we saw this highs right here, then we moved again to the downside, came into this order block, we saw our first bullish reaction to the upside, then we moved through this order block right here, and after that again we saw this bullish move to the upside into this order block, and right now we are nearly in this order block. But now the question is, are we continuing this crash to the downside or do we see a move to higher levels again? If we are looking at the weekly chart, we can see that we broke this last highs to the upside, but we didn't saw a body close. We are seeing this big wick right here, and as I'm always saying in my videos, this is a liquidity grab because we had stop loss orders right here from people who are shorting Verasity, and if the price comes into this liquidity and we don't see a body close and see that the price got rejected to the downside, then the chances high that we are seeing again a move to the other direction. So right now we are not in a bullish structure on Verasity on the weekly time frame because we just saw this big wick right here. So this is an indicator that we can move to the bullish direction, but this is for me not a real breakoff structure. If we are going on the daily chart, you can see that we made a higher low right here. So right now we didn't break this structure to the downside, which is a very good sign for Verasity. But if we want to see a bullish reaction for Verasity, then it's very important that we are breaking this last highs to the upside. So if we are breaking this last highs to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then the chances high that we are seeing again higher levels for Verasity. But if we are right now coming into this order block and we are seeing some resistance right here, then the chances high that we are moving again to lower levels. And as you can see, the next support area is this demand zone right here, because we saw this demand zone or order block where we saw this bullish push to the upside, and we saw the first reaction right here because from this demand zone right here we saw this bullish push again into this order block. So if we are not breaking this order block and this high right here, then I think the chances high that we are going again to the downside and retest this demand zone. But if anything interesting happens for Verasity, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Verasity. So all in all, I think it's not looking too bullish right now because we saw this big liquidity grab on the weekly time frame, but it's also not looking too bearish because a larger retracement after this crazy pump is very normal, and we made a higher low. And as I said, if we want to see higher levels for Verasity, it's very important that we are breaking through this order block and through this purple resistance with a daily or weekly body close. And if we are seeing that, I think the chances high that we are seeing again higher levels for Verasity. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading. See you in the next one.